So this is a little longer series than normal because I just wanted to show you the detail on the actual real time of some bodywork areas. Alright, so you're more than welcome to fast forward a little bit if you want to, but there are areas in here where I do some voiceover and give you some good pointers, especially when doing guide coats and all of that. Here all I'm doing is using 150 grit, sanding around the grinded area here so our filler has something to stick to on the paint. Right? You always want to sand around the area, excuse me for that, with 150 to 220 grit on the painted surface area, right, to get it nice and panel bonding ready, panel body filler ready. All right, so that's all we're doing now. So actually all the dents are pretty much grinded out, sanded, ready for filler. So we're just going around the car now and doing this. I might not show you going around the car in the whole thing because that's just a waste of time. So I'm showing you sections. So after this, we're gonna mix some filler, lay our first coat, and then in the next videos, possibly even show you my neighbor that I was coaching, a 14-year-old kid doing some body work.
Wow, looking good. I don't think I'm gonna need that much filler. Yeah, maybe I will. I'll just mix this much for now. Every golf ball size of filler, right? You're gonna put about 6 to 8 drops of hardener. Just gonna add some. And if you add too much, it's gonna harden really quickly. If you don't add enough, it's gonna take longer to dry. If you really don't add enough, then you're gonna have a problem. It's never gonna freaking dry, then you gotta scrape it back off, right? So I don't wanna add too much because I'm talking to you guys and I'm trying to work it. So I'm just gonna put that much. That actually might be too much, but I would rather it dry hard than not enough. Okay, I got 2 size squeegees here. I think I'm going to use the bigger one. And we're going to get Walmart Bondo usually sells Bondo brand. And it's not bad. I've used it many times. It is, they have their hardener is red. Usually it's red.
And when mixing, try to do it pretty quickly. You don't want to spend too much time here. You don't want to spend 5 minutes mixing because the filler is going to get hard. Once it's a even color, nice creamy look and a even color without any dark blue streaks in it, you're good. All right, so push firmly, mix it up really good, and then apply it as soon as you can.
I think that's about good. God, this stuff is creamy.
And you can see that I'm filling the keyhole here, and you can see how it has an indentation. Something like that, you're going to need 2 or even 3 passes to fully cover it and level it out. So don't worry about it if it doesn't look fully filled up, right? This is a first coat. We're just going to skim it on. And as we cut, you'll be able to see.
We're going to have to redo this hole here and go over another pass. It's still low, right? Sometimes you gotta leave good enough alone, okay? Remember that. If you keep screwing with it, sometimes you screw it up. All right, I gotta actually hit some of the big spots around the car. Old insider trick from old school days of my pops. You do your body work in bondo on glass. This way it's super easy to clean.
Alright, so I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Here is a old insider trick. My dad always used to mix body filler on a big thick piece of glass, and I'm doing the same thing. So that's pretty much it. Like the video, share, subscribe. Here are some preview insider images of the completed project. It's all in step-by-step detail within VIP, plus more images like this. So hope you like it. Talk to you soon, like the video, and I'll see you later. Bye.